Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the front camera on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8, 10.5, X200, X205 2021 models. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the tablet and remove the LCD screen from the front. To remove the screen, it needs to heat gently around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the tablet heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to create a gap between the screen and the frame. Next, insert a plastic pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the LCD screen. Next, gently lift the screen and move down to relax the screen on the body. Next, take out the bracket by undoing the screw. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, disconnect the LCD connector plug. And now the screen unit can leave from the body. Next, take out the bracket by undoing 4 screws. Next, disconnect and pull out the network and front camera from the board. Next, place and connect the new front camera to the body. Next, secure the bracket by adding 4 screws. Next, connect the LCD plug and then the battery connector plug. Next, test and verify the screen functionality. Next, secure the bracket by adding the screw. Next, before installing the LCD screen, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided LCD adhesive. Next, gently slide in the screen from the bottom to the top. Slightly apply pressure on screen edges. Finally, we are adding binding clips to fasten the LCD screen. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber bands to tighten the screen to the body. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.